Hello friends, welcome to Total Medical Coding. Our today's topic is ICD code structure. In today's topic, we are going to talk about size of ICD code character details, category, subcategory and subclassification in a code, coding tip, and there will be a quiz for you people. Let's talk about size of ICD code. Minimum size of a code is 3 characters. Few of the examples are there in front of you. The first example is AIDS. If you check, the code is B20. It is made up of 3 characters. Hypertension, the code is I10. It is made up of 3 characters. Maximum size of a code is 7 characters. Example, concussion with loss of consciousness of 30 minutes or less. Initial encounter, the code is S06.0x1A. Struck by baseball, initial encounter, the code is W21.03XA. Let's learn now the details of each and every character in a code. The first character is S. If you see here, I will show you. The first character is S, which is always an alphabet, remember. And this S indicates you that it belongs to chapter 19. That we will see in our future videos. More details related to how many chapters do we have and all. The second character is always a number. And guys, third to seventh character, if you check, they are all alphanumeric. It means they can be number or alphabet. Now you might be thinking why we should learn this. When you appear for any CPC exam, you have 4 options in front of you. Now to decide to rule out 1 or 2 options, this method will help you. Suppose they have given you the code 132.010A. As you know, the first character is always an alphabet. So definitely that code is wrong. So you can rule out that. Or if they have mentioned SS2.010A, that indicates you that the second character needs to be number, but in this example it is an alphabet. That indicates you that this is a wrong code. Let's move to category, subcategory, subclassification. To explain this concept, we have one example. Wedge compression fracture of first lumbar vertebra, initial encounter for closed fracture. The code is S32.010A. The first 3 characters in a code are called category. That is S32. The fourth character 0, which we have highlighted in pink, will tell you about subcategory. And 5th to 7th character, that is 10A, will tell you about subclassification. S32 category will tell you that it belongs to which chapter. The 4th character 0 will tell you about etiology, and 5th and 6th character will tell you about specificity, laterality, and the 7th character, which you can see here as A, will tell you it belongs to initial encounter. Now you might be having question, why do we need to learn category, subcategory, subclassification? When you search a code in alphabetical and tabular list, while searching, the information about category, subcategory, subclassification will help you to search accurately. We have few coding tips for you guys. Maximum people make mistake in these areas. Decimal must be placed after the first three characters. We have one example for you people. If you see, the size of this code is of 7 characters, due to which after 3 characters we place a point. But guys, if the size of a code is only of 3 characters, please do not place point after the 3 characters. That is one concept. Another area where people make maximum errors or they have a confusion is the alphabets which are there in the code must always be in uppercase, which is not true. It can be in lowercase. It is okay because alpha characters are not case sensitive. One of the example is there in front of us. If you see S32.010A, the upper one, S and the letter A, both of them are in uppercase. If you see the another one where S and A is in lowercase, both of them are correct. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now there is a quiz for all of you. I want you people to take this quiz. The question is, check the following codes and decide which code is right and which code is wrong based on characters concept. I will give you 20 seconds to do this, and then we will discuss the answers after 20 seconds. So you can pause your video and give me the answers. Okay. Now we are going to check the answers. The first question, is this code correct? Yes. How do we know that? The first character is an alphabet, S. The second character is a number, 3. And second to 7th character is alphanumeric. And after 3 character there is a dot or decimal. It means it's a correct code. Second question, is this code correct? BB2? No. Why? Because the second character here is an alphabet, but actually it must be number. So it means this is a wrong code. Let's talk about the third question. Is this code correct? B95 6.2? No. Why? Because after 3 character we place a point, but here after 4th character they have placed the point. It means this is a wrong code. Let's talk about the fourth question. Is this code B20 point correct? No. Why? Because after 3 characters there are no 4th character. So it means I should not place the point after 3 characters. So this is a wrong code. Let's talk about the fifth question. Is this code correct? Yes. How? See, the first character here is an alphabet. It's in lowercase. It's okay. The second character is a number, and third to 7th character is alphanumeric. And after 3 character there is a dot. It means it's a right code. I hope you all got the right answers. Summary of whatever we have done till now. Size of the ICD code. Minimum size of a code is 3 characters. Maximum size of a code is 7 characters. ICD code characters, if you see, first character is always an alphabet, second character is always a number, and third to 7th character is alphanumeric. We have already seen this. Category, first 3 characters are called category, 4th character is called subcategory, and 5th to 7th character are subclassifications. Decimal must be placed after 3 character. If you have 4th, 5th, 6th or 7th character in a code, but if you have only 3 character code, you should not place decimal after that. And as we have already discussed, alphabet is not case sensitive. It means you can write alphabet in uppercase or in lowercase. I hope you understand this video, this concept very clearly. And if you have any questions related to this, please place all your questions in the comment section. Thank you very much.